Alright, so you don't really know who I am. I'm just a average Joe. But I have this Kusanagi, Sasuke's sword from Naruto. And a while back, a buddy of mine snapped off the end of it, and it kind of like, broke. And I tried to tape it back together to use it as like a walking stick or whatever. Anyways, it got the best of me, and I decided to snap it up a little bit. Throw it against things, hit it against things, whatever. But it broke, as you can see. And now the blade sticks out, and it's kind of cool, and I'm all like, cool, I'm awesome. But I was fiddling around with it, and it turned out, okay, it would make this weird noise. Now, I don't know if it's going to come up on camera or anything, but it made a cool noise. All right, so if I just aim it up at the sky and swing it, all right, it should go. I'm not going to get a good angle on this. I don't have a cameraman or anything. This is literally just an iPhone 11. So, all right, ready? Woo! I don't even know if that looked good. Okay. Listen very closely. Did you hear that? So it went like, it was it's crazy. It spins and stuff. It's awesome. I kid you not. I feel like a superhero or an anime character or some crap. It is awesome. Hold on. I'm gonna go again. We're gonna see. I've been doing this for probably close to 30 minutes now. Just stuffing this back in here and attempting to get the coolest one. I've had one that went all the way back around to me. It flailed in the air. It was crazy. All right, ready? Ooh, ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that! Ooh. Oh my God! It came back to me. It's crazy. Whew. One more and I'll end off this video. Sorry for the terrible angles, I know. It's like I'm filming a school fight. I literally suck at being a cameraman, but just felt like doing this. Yeah. I mean, so if anyone can tell me exactly what the heck this is, that'd be awesome. If not, I really don't care. I'd love to share this with whoever wants to listen. So cock it back. I'm literally doing an anime character type of shit right now, bro. Literally swinging it forward as if I was I don't know, Ichigo or some random swordsman. It's awesome though. Listen. 3, 2, 1. Look at it. It flails. It's awesome. I honestly, it's cool. I'm sorry I'm probably getting terrible angles. Again, I'm just gonna keep saying that. One more. Sorry, I know, I'm extending this video to 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. Might get ad revenue soon. Joking. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I hit a power line. That's bad. Hope it didn't snap. I gotta go find this motherfucker. Alright, run. Hi-ho, Silva. Do you see it? I do. Alright, limit this from the camera. That's cool. Alright, see that over there? It's my camper shell for my truck. Why does a 15-year-old have a camper shell for his truck? I don't know, but it came with the truck. It was an old man truck, and I decided, you know what? I'm gonna leave that baby on for a while. I took it off now, but sorry, excuse me. Bless me? I don't know what you'd say in that situation. Okay, final one. The street light's coming on. I should probably be wrapping this up. 3, 2, 1. Whew, that was a terrible one, but it sounded cool. It went zoom, and immediately hit something. I really should just. I'm gonna go from a vertical angle. Hold on, I'm about to sneeze. Yeah. I should really start going from a vertical angle because I'll get better results that way. Sorry for just black screen. I mean, you're not getting good angles, anyways. But this is. Hold on. Ready? We're going vertical this time. cocking it back behind my shoulder. See that? It's crazy. Here, actually, I can't flip it around, but here, I'm gonna end this video, and part 2, ooh, I know, already trying to make money off of you, it's gonna be just a vertical view, okay? Cool. Peace out, see you then. I don't know if you can actually tell I'm here. Hey, vertical view now, forward view now. This is gonna be terrible for, trying to show it off, but I'm just gonna be, so for a while what I was doing was I was cocking it back like this, kind of like how Ichigo says Bankai. He pulls it back, and flies it forward, but what I was doing is I was just swinging it forward, or I was going back behind like right here, yeah, but now I'm gonna vertical it. Watch this. Ready? 3, 2. Holy cow. I don't even know where that went. But wherever it went, it's crazy. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's me. I'll probably just merge these two things together. Maybe cut out part 2 or whatever. I don't know. I would just get the sky, but yeah, that's vertical view. One more for the books. That was terrible. I guess no more for the books. Well, thank you so much for watching. Whoever decided to watch, hit that like button, subscribe. I don't know, whatever all the other corny YouTubers tell you to do. This probably won't get featured or anything. I'm saying that like I'm on iFunny. Probably talking too fast too. Anyways, peace out. See you later, and goodbye.